really watched my aunt cook some on the pot. Fuck a honor roll, I was out there on the block. Baggy ass pants, tryna get it fat or not. Glock can make you do the beatbox, just that get a bag music, nigga, fuck a TikTok. Clip hoe 30 times, 390 shots. See a freak hoe when I drink, she eat the cock. Even when I'm broke, never depend on the bitch. They ain't take me at the school, walk around.
What's good, y'all? I've been in Durango. I ain't gonna lie, I don't feel like recording today. But I gotta do an oil change and spark plug, so that's what I'm about to do. But I said the process of how I'm about to do my spark plugs and oil change. And yeah, let me get up. Oh, first thing, open the hood. Alright, so we're finna take the oil cap off. Because it's like a vacuum. Dipstick gotta come out. So I'm finna do the oil change first, then the spark plugs. Wow. Wow. Oh, damn. I never do this. My spark plugs is underneath the manifold.
I'm sorry.
Got the film extractor. Gonna put it on there. I just use the extractor because it just take a lot of oil out. You still gonna have to drain it though. But yep, just showing y'all that. So you just put it in the dipstick and then put it up in that fluid extractor and start pumping to get this out. It's gonna take a while. They got like 4 liters out of this. 4 liters out. I have to take that. Take this apart. Get to the oil filter right there. So that's all I did. I just took that apart. I'll loosen this to get to this oil filter. I feel like that's the easiest way. Took those off. But that's how I feel like it's the easiest way to get to that oil filter. But yeah, had to take this loose to get to that. I just feel like it's the easiest way. But as y'all can see, I took the oil filter loose, letting that drain. Open the cap, took that out, lifted the car. Now I gotta get underneath there and drain it. I don't feel like getting underneath this bitch draining it, but it's just something I gotta do. Something like this. the old one. Gotta take the old gasket off. I don't know where it went. Take the old gasket off, put the new one on. Just like that. I like cleaning it. Put the new one in. Oop, there's the gasket. It wanted to go back in. And tighten it first. So you won't park cross straight it. Tighten it. Make sure you don't see the gasket no more. Don't over tighten it, you can snap it. Put this back on. All the way on there. Tighten it back. It's not going nowhere. Now all it is, put the dipstick back in there. Put the cap back, put the oil in. Put the cap back on. Put that back together. I already put this together, that's what I was doing. I'll put the oil filter on, and that will be an oil change. I will turn this back on and I'll put it in oil. Wow. I was too busy trying to finish, not pay attention. I forgot to show y'all the oil. I got one more quart. I gotta top it off. But yeah, I'm just putting oil in. think everybody know how to do it, but this is performance oil. So hopefully I go fast. 500 horsepower. Please.
And I dropped in 1/3 of jet fuel in my tank. Scooting. In 4th gear, before my red line, I hit 130 miles, 135. I was scooting.
Yeah. $500 horsepower, please. It's performance oil, man. It'd be nice if it'd be 500, man. Top it off. Dipstick. Wipe it off. Put it back in. And that's the oil. That's oil change, man. That didn't take too long, got on. Super easy. Yeah.